If you deal with your warehouse, it is a space to store goods, but you are mistaken. The warehouse may be the reason for the disable of your production, because the entry and exit of goods is not smooth and accurate. Your production must decrease to be able to absorb it. This will automatically focus on delivery times and customer satisfaction. How many times did your inventory result not be accurate? How many times did you have information that the product is not in stock and then found out that it was only in the wrong place? Because you don't have to. You need RFID technology, because it will give you accurate information about each product inside and outside your warehouses and stores permanently. Prevent slow manual inventory. Now, you will be able to inventory your store with an accuracy of up to 95%. In record time, whatever the number of products or the size of your store. Added to that, putting the goods in after RFID, make you know how to take administrative decisions based on real and up-to-date marks. It will also allow you to reach any product quickly and easily. You will also avoid the penalties and penal conditions that occur due to slow delivery and receipt. Who responded to the lack of information added on the human errors that you will avoid after applying RFID. We developed the warehouse management and made advanced smart solutions that make changes in using in your warehouse by RFID technology. Contact us to tell you how to apply this advanced RFID technology to your warehouses and stores. No matter what type of warehouses and stores you have or the size of your warehouses and stores. Smart warehouses and stores means RFID.